the ferret over at Eric's house. He's got a lift that can actually hold the ferret. And there's a clunking in the wheel. And we're doing exploratory surgery to figure out what is the clunk. Okay, we got the wheel off. And we're using our research abilities. We're using manuals that we haven't really cracked open and YouTube. Because YouTube is how you take apart a ferret.
Bam-a-lam, damn thing gone wild. Bam-a-lam, she said, roll out of mine. Bam-a-lam, damn thing gone blind. Bam-a-lam, she said, oh, Black Betty. Bam-a-lam, oh, Black Betty.
Part of the problem is, if you look at that, here, can I zoom in? See how it's ground down? Something was grinding those things off. Yeah, Charles said they loosened and backing into the gears. That may not be the problem that's causing the clunky thing, but it's a problem, and we solve it.
Whoa, Black Betty, Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, Bam-a-lam, she really gets me high. Bam-a-lam, you know that's no lie. Bam-a-lam, she's so rock steady. Bam-a-lam, man, she's always ready. Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, Bam-a-lam.
So we've determined that those wheels are actual run flats, and so because of that, we're not going to change them now. All right, we're trying to find out are these run flats or not. They have no air in them. If they are regular tires, they'll go flat. If they're run flats, they won't. So what do you think? It's run flat, right? All right. We say they're run flats.
All right, the plug is out. Here's the crank handle.
Switch is on.
Yep.
Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, Bam-a-lam, she's from Birmingham. Bam-a-lam, way down in Alabama. Bam-a-lam, well, she's taking that thing. Bam-a-lam, boy, she makes me sing. Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, Bam-a-lam.
antifreeze is pouring out of it.
Son of a...